All right, so on to the very first topic. What exactly is the difference between a website and a web application? So when you think of a website, any portfolio sort of an application जहाँ पे हम होशियारी मारते हैं कि हाँ हम ये चीज़ है, any product front, let's say if you look at any shop that is trying to build an online presence, that they want to show the portfolio of the work they have done. If you are a photographer and you if you want to show all the photos that you have clicked, all the services that you provide, then you would create a portfolio website, and that is a website, meaning that it's static. And when we say static, it does not mean that nothing will move on the screen. No, static means that as a user, I am unable to add or edit any functionality onto the website. इफ आई एम लुकिंग एट अ पोर्टफोलियो ऑफ अ फोटोग्राफर, मैं जाके उसके फोटो के साथ छेड़छाड़ नहीं कर सकता हूं. आई कैन नॉट एड अ फोटो टू अ कार्ट. In contrast to that, if you compare a web application like Amazon.in, you can find a good photo and you can add it to your cart and you can buy it. So that means that as a user, you are able to add some modification to the web application. So that is the core difference between what is a website and what is a web application. Remember once again, ये चीज अपने दिमाग में सेट कर लेना कि just because we use the word static, that does not mean कि सब स्किन पे स्थिर रहेगा, कि हिलेगा ही नहीं. That is not the case. The second point is what I'm trying to make here, that users cannot manipulate websites. Web apps can be and should be manipulated by the users. That is the reason they are web apps. Websites are usually created using core HTML, CSS, and some JavaScript. There are frameworks that are also used to make websites, but in the end, the grassroots level implementation is done using HTML and CSS. And to add some sort of animation, they use some bit of JavaScript. In contrast, web applications that need to have some sort of interactivity with the users, which prompt the user to do something. Amazon.in वाली वेबसाइट आप सिर्फ HTML CSS से नहीं बना सकते हो. You need to have a sort of framework that will allow a user to search for a product, to add it to cart, to explore payment options, to add delivery addresses, and to check out the product from the cart, and to track its delivery, and to return it. So all of those functionalities are provided using these JavaScript frameworks, which we're going to be discussing.